Hi guys, this is an orientation video. My name is Mr. Lupos. I'm the teacher or your teacher for MHF 4UV01 Advanced Functions, so grade 12 University Functions. This is just to go over kind of how the course is set up and how you can keep on track and you know where everything is. So every day, you should be checking, you should be going online, and info will be on the news section. So here's the news on your homepage. I've changed my view to be your view. So it should be, it's a student view, so it should be just like yours. So here I have kind of a canned message here introducing myself, but eventually you're going to see something like this under class news, and as you see, this is where the updates will be. And I'll tell you any changes to plans or where you should be or what videos you should watch and that sort of thing. On the left here is the calendar, and you can also access the calendar across the top. Where do I have it here? Calendar here? Calendar up here, yep. So if I click here, I can access the calendar this way, watch a full screen view of the calendar, monthly or that sort of thing. I think the easiest way to do it though is just to go back to the course home and keep an eye on what's due and when it's due here. So U1, A2 discussions are due on September 17th, for example, and then other things are all outlined here. What I'm going to have underneath the class news is the unit outlines. So there's my cat. The first unit outline is for Unit 1, and I just get rid of the cat. So back to it. Unit 1, and then under Unit 1, for example, what you're going to have here is the outline for the unit. So Unit 1, A1, I'll tell you what that goes with in a second. That's, or I also call it U1A1. That'll outline what's important for U1A1. In a different color here, whenever you see a different color, like in green in this post, that'll be stuff that's due or marked. So for example, in Unit 1, let's go here. Let's go down here. Unit 1, A3, 4, and 5, it talks about some quizzes, and it'll give, not only it'll tell you that they're marked, but then it'll also tell you what days they're due or what days they're open. So that'll correspond with the calendar. And then if you want to know what Unit 1, A1 is, that's the content. So over here, you go to content, that's your textbook. This has been written by the ministries or someone at the ministry, and then you have the units on the left, and then when you click on them, you'll have the activities here. So Unit 1 overview, you can click on that, and then in each part here, you're going to have an outline to the activity, expectations, content, assignment. These ones here, the first couple are overviews, like what's expected. So if I click here, I'll see that here's the learning goal activity. If I go to the next one here, you can just use the arrow to move on. Here's the expectation, and these are right from the curriculum. But the content is really what you want to look at. So this is really the textbook stuff. So you look here, and in this activity, there's a diagnostic quiz. This one's not marked, so you click on this and have some fun doing that. There's some practice activities. Work your way through the content, which is the lesson. And then when you're done the content, you can move on either by clicking the arrow here. Sometimes there's more than one page of content, so you might want to make sure that you do that, as opposed to just going straight to assignment. And here's the assignment. This is a video that I made, so you can click on here and watch a video, and then go over what's due for the assignment. So a lot of the assignment work is just homework. So here it'll say do not submit this assignment to your instructor, which means it's just something that you want to go over, and here are the solutions. Okay, and then the videos themselves are here, but the other thing is, if you found this video, you're also going to know that all our videos are up here on the YouTube playlist. So if you click here, it'll take you straight to the grade 12U Advanced Functions playlist, and all the videos will be there. And email, you want to contact me, email me. I've turned off the pager setting because I'm not a big fan of it. Let's keep track of things by emailing. News, again, if you want to go straight to the news, you can go here, but you can also get it from the course home. Discussions, Dropboxes. Discussions, sometimes you'll be asked to add to discussion. A Dropbox is where you hand in your homework. So there'll be a few assignments that you'll hand in. That's how you do that, through the Dropboxes. Quizzes and tests. The majority of your grades will be through quizzes and tests. You'll click here, and when it's time to open a test, or you can open a test, you can attempt it. Now just be careful. Once you attempt a test, you have one chance for the tests that are marked. So once you open that test, you'll have a couple hours to work on it, or depending on how long the test is, maybe an hour to work on it. That'll be outlined for you. Once you open it, you have an hour straight to work on it, and then it'll close on itself. So you can't open the test working on it for an hour or 20 minutes, then take a break, and then come back and next day and work on it and finish it and that sort of thing. D2L will not let you do that. And D2L or the LMS is really the course website. So D2L is the provider of the website. LMS is what we call the website itself. Just keep in touch. Any questions, send me an email. I can send you emails back through regular text, but I can also send either video or what's really easy, and I started to use our audio email, so I can just answer your questions with a quick, 10-second or 15-second audio recording. All right, take care. Thanks a lot. And like I said, any questions, get back.